Good day, sir. My name is Galan from S1A3, and today I'm here to perform the practical assessment number 6, which is to compute the waypoints, course, and distance. So, let's go. So, here is the waypoints. To get the waypoints to course and distance, we will be using the waypoint 1 and waypoint 2. So, to solve the course and distance, we will be using the waypoint 1 and waypoint 2. So, our waypoint 1 is 38 degrees, 18 minutes north. And our waypoint 2 is 40 degrees, 36 minutes north. So, in this situation, the same name is negative and the different name is positive. So the latitude 1 and latitude 2 are the same name. So, we can minus it. And we will get the latitude of 2 degrees, 18 minutes north. And next is we will multiply it by 60. So that our answer is the latitude of 138 minutes. So in the next is we will write the longitude 1, which is the waypoint 1, which is 16 degrees 45 minutes west, and the longitude 2, which is the waypoint 2, is the 26 degrees and 45 minutes west. So after that, they are the same name again, so we can subtract it. So if we minus the longitude 1 and longitude 2, the answer is the longitude, which is the 10 degrees west. And after that, we will multiply it by 60, and that the answer is the longitude equals to 600 minutes. So now we will be solving the MP of the latitude 1 and latitude 2. So in this situation, to get the MP of the latitude 1, which is the 38 degrees and 18 minutes north, get a calculator and type log, open parenthesis, tan, open parenthesis, latitude, divided by 2 plus 45, double, close parenthesis, times 7,915.7 minus, open parenthesis, 23.3 times sine, open parenthesis, latitude, 2 close parenthesis. So in latitude, we can substitute the 38 degrees and 18 minutes north. So that the answer in MP1 is equals to 2476.71. And for the MP number 2, which is the latitude 2, is 40 degrees 36 minutes north. So we get the calculator and substitute it to latitude 2, which is the 40 degrees 36 minutes north, and type log, open parenthesis, tan, open parenthesis, latitude, divided by 2 plus 45 and 2 close parenthesis, times 7,915.7 minus, open parenthesis, 23.3 times sine, open parenthesis, latitude, 2 closing parenthesis. So that the answer is for MP2 is 2654.73. To compute the MP1 and MP2, as you can see, they are the same names, so that we can subtract it, so that the answer is DMP equals to 178.02. So now we will be solving the course angle. So the formula of the course angle is tan course angle equals d low and divided by DMP. So in this situation, we need to substitute the d low, which is the 600, and the DMP, which is the 178.2. So if we divide the d low and DMP, the answer is 3.37041. So after that, we need to get the calculator and type shift tan answer and equals, and that our course angle is 73.47 or 73.5. So now we will be solving the quadrant rule. So in this situation, we will look for the dilat and dilong's name. So our dilat's name is north and the dilong's name is west. So we will now look the northwest in quadrant rule. So in quadrant rule, the northwest is equals to 360 minus course angle and equals to true course. So we will now substitute it. So the northwest equals to 360 minus 73.5 and the true course is 286.5. So that our true course is 286.5. So if we round off this answer, the final answer is 287. So now we will be solving for distance. So the formula of distance is d latitude divided by cosine course angle. Our d-lat is 138 and our course angle, we will have the cosine 73.5. So if we divided it, we have the answer of distance is equals to 485.88, or if we round up it, we have 485.9 nautical miles. So now our waypoint 2 is equals to 287, and the distance of our waypoint 2 is equals to 485.9. So in this situation, we can compute the waypoint 3 of course and distance to waypoint 2. So in this situation, our waypoint 2 and waypoint 3 is the latitude 1 and latitude 2, which is the 40 degrees and 36 minutes north for the latitude 1, and the latitude 2 is 41 degrees 54 minutes north. So they have the same name, so we can subtract it to that. The answer is the d-lat of 1 degrees and 18 minutes north. And after that, we need to multiply it by 60 so that our answer is the d latitude of 78 minutes. And after that, we need to solve the longitude 1 and longitude 2 for the waypoint 2 and waypoint 3. So our longitude 1 is 26 degrees 45 minutes west. So our longitude 2, which is that 36 degrees and 45 minutes west. So that they have the same name, so we can subtract it, and that our answer is the longitude of 10 degrees west. And after that, we will multiply it again by 60 so that our d long is 600 minutes. And now we will be solving the MP1 and MP2. So the formula for the MP1 is log open parenthesis tan open parenthesis latitude divided by 2 plus 45 double closing parenthesis times 7,915.7 minus open parenthesis 23.3 times sine open parenthesis latitude 2 closing parenthesis. So we can subtract the latitude 1, which is the 40 degrees and 36 minutes north, so that our answer is 2,654.73. So to solve the MP2 of the latitude 2, we will substitute it again in log open parenthesis tan open parenthesis latitude divided by 2 plus 45 double parenthesis closing parenthesis times 7,915.7 minus open parenthesis 23.3 times sine open parenthesis latitude double closing parenthesis. So we can substitute it in the latitude, so which is the latitude is 41 degrees and 54 degrees north, so that our final answer is 2,758.8. So in this situation, they are the same name, so that we can subtract it to find the DMP. So if we minus the MP1 and MP2, so that our answer is DMP equals to 103.35. And after that, we need to solve the coarse angle. So that the formula of coarse angle is tangent coarse angle d low divided by DMP. So that our d low is 600 minutes and the DMP is 103.35. So if we divide these two, we can get the answer of 5.80552. After that, get the calculator and type the shift tangent answer and equal, so that our coarse angle is 80.2. The next is we will be solving the quadrant rule. So in quadrant rule, we will look for the northwest. So our dilat's name is north and our dilow's name is west. So in quadrant rule, our northwest is 360 minus coarse angle equals to true course. So we need to substitute the coarse angle, which is the 80.2, so that we can compute it to northwest equals 360 minus 80.2, and that our answer is 279.8. So if we round up, the true course is 280. The next is we will be solving the distance, so that the formula of the distance is d latitude divided by cosine coarse angle, so that we substitute the d latitude, which is the 78 minutes, and the coarse angle is 80.2. So if we divide it the d lat and cosine coarse angle, so our distance is 458.3 nautical miles. So now our waypoint 3 has the equivalent of course of 280, and the waypoint 3 distance is 458.3 nautical miles. And after that, you need to repeat it step by step until you get the answers. Thank you.
这一次我真的睡着了。 次，我真的睡着了。